Hold up there a minute, Chip. What is it, Dale? I don't think these are our woods. What makes you say that, Dale? Well, for one, we don't live in the woods. You know what, Chip? I think that this is the 100 Acre Woods, and we're a little bit lost. 100 acres is a lot of woods. Hey, Dale, we're city chipmunks. How will we find our way? What we need is a friend. And I think I know just the one.
Piglet. Chip and Dale will be so excited because Piglet is a great friend to Pooh, and he lives in the 100 Acre Woods where Chip and Dale are lost. Do you think Piglet can find Chip and Dale and help them out of their spot? They need to go back to the city, don't they? Piglet can help out.
Oh, gee, that's a lot of responsibility for a little pig like me. I hope I can help. I can help Chip and Dale. Help me find them, Fun Kid Club, and I will help them so they're not lost in the woods.
Okay, Fun Kid Club, let's help Piglet find Chip and Dale in the 100 Acre Woods so Piglet can help them find their way back out. I love Tsum Tsums. They're so cute and they're so stackable. Bye, Fun Kid Club.